The 2025 Honda Prelude is a remarkable return of an iconic nameplate, blending nostalgia with modern engineering. From its sleek exterior to its meticulously designed interior, this car represents Honda's commitment to performance and okay, as we take a closer look at the exterior, first thing that catches the eye is the striking design. The Prelude showcases a bold front fascia featuring a wide grille flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it a modern yet aggressive look. The sculpted hood adds a sporty touch, while the aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, enhancing its performance-oriented stance. The overall profile is reminiscent of classic sport coupes, maintaining a sense of heritage while embracing contemporary aesthetics. Moving to the rear, the LED taillights are a standout feature, creating a distinctive lighting signature that ensures the Prelude is easily recognizable at night. The dual exhaust tips not only enhance the sporty appearance, but also hint at the performance capabilities lurking beneath the hood. The choice of wheel designs ranges from 18 to 20 inches, allowing for a personalized touch to suit various tastes. Now, let's dive into the heart of the 2025 Honda Prelude. The interior, upon entering, you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that combines comfort and technology. The seats are crafted from high-quality materials, offering ample support for spirited driving while ensuring comfort for longer journeys. The layout is clean and intuitive, with a digital instrument cluster that provides vital information at a glance. One of the most impressive features is the large touchscreen infotainment system positioned at the center console. This system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to integrate your smartphone for navigation, music, and hands-free calls. The sound system is designed to deliver an immersive audio experience, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. For those who appreciate a sporty driving experience, the Prelude features a well-designed steering wheel that offers a solid grip and is adorned with controls for easy access to various functions. The climate control system is intuitive and efficient, ensuring that the cabin remains comfortable in any weather. When it comes to practicality, Honda has not compromised. The trunk space is surprisingly generous for a sports coupe, providing enough room for weekend getaways or daily errands. Plus, the rear seats are functional, offering a bit of extra space for passengers or additional cargo. Let's talk performance. Which is where the Prelude truly shines. Under the hood, the 2025 model offers a choice of two engine options. The base model features a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering a punchy performance while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Here's for those seeking more thrill, there's a more powerful turbocharged inline-6 option that promises exhilarating acceleration and an engaging driving experience. The Prelude's chassis is designed for agility and stability, with a well-tuned suspension system that strikes a perfect balance between comfort and sporty handling. The available all-wheel drive system enhances traction and control, making it a versatile performer in various driving conditions. The driving modes allow for customization, letting you switch between comfort for daily driving and sport for a more exhilarating experience on twisty roads or the track. With all these features and capabilities, the 2025 Honda Prelude positions itself as a strong contender in the sports coupe segment. The pricing is expected to start around the mid $30,000 range for the base model, making it competitive against rivals while offering a premium feel and performance. As you move up through the trims and add options, the price can climb to the low $40,000 range for a fully loaded version, which still offers great value given the features and performance on offer. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda Prelude not only pays homage to its storied past, but also embraces the future of automotive technology and design. With stunning exterior, comfortable and tech-savvy interior, and robust performance capabilities, it stands out as a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a sporty coupe. For fans of Honda and newcomers alike, the Prelude represents an exciting option that delivers on every front. This has been New Car Info, bringing you the latest insights and detailed reviews on the newest vehicle.